Number 5, garlic. Garlic feeds your gut, not you. It's loaded with prebiotic fiber, specifically inulin, which fuels the good bacteria already living in your gut. More good bacteria means better digestion, better balance, and less room for the bad stuff to take over. Number 4, blueberries. These aren't just antioxidants. They're packed with polyphenols, plant compounds that act like fuel for your gut bacteria. They help increase beneficial strains and strengthen your gut lining at the same time. Number 3, okra. Yeah, the texture throws people off, but that slime is soluble fiber doing its job. It forms a gel that helps protect your gut lining and feeds bacteria in a slower, steadier way than most fibers. Number 2, artichokes. One of the most underrated gut foods out there. Extremely high in inulin fiber, which specifically feeds beneficial bacteria. This is the kind of food that actually helps reshape your gut over time. Number 1, kefir. This is your heavy hitter. Kefir contains multiple strains of live probiotics, not just one or two. Your gut is an ecosystem, and kefir helps repopulate it with a wide variety of beneficial bacteria, improving digestion and overall gut health. Follow Good Food Logic for more smart, practical, healthy eating tips. Comment what you want to see next.